Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone. So if you want to go ahead and play some games, simply just go to settings right here and back out to the main settings menu, and then we want to go to Bluetooth. So let's go to Bluetooth right here. Bluetooth is turned on. Excellent. Go down to other devices. Now turn on your Xbox controller. Press that button. Now if it's not connecting to your Xbox, hold down the sync button on the top. So we can just hold this down, and I'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode where this light is blinking. Here's the Xbox controller. We can just tap it now, and it is now connected once we hit pair. So if we want to turn off the Xbox controller, just hold down this light for 10 seconds. Otherwise, go to the eye right here. We can forget this device and remove it from our phone. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.